Hey guys, Charlie here, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you up and coming blockchain that has been deployed on its mainnet for quite some time. And the blockchain that I'll be covering today will be OKExChain. I'm sure that many of you are familiar with Ethereum, with Binance Smart Chain, with OKExChain, and some other prominent chains such as Polygon as well. And recently there has been a lot of activities for OKExChain after its mainnet launch, especially in the past few weeks. But before I deep dive into OKExChain and its ecosystem, I would like to share with you that we are having this giveaway contest for our crypto starter pack that consists a copy of our book, Crypto Assets for Passive Income, an online video course, and $100 worth of BNB or MATIC tokens of your choosing. To participate in this giveaway contest, just go to the link in the description box down below. You can also join us on our socials such as our Twitter and Telegram group TokenClan for more information on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. If you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell for more videos such as this. Without further ado, let's get started. To kick things off, let us go to this website called OKEx.com, and on this page there is an article that is explaining what is OKExChain. I will be sharing with you some key points about OKExChain and why you should be looking at this new chain that could possibly be part of your own crypto portfolio. Let's take a look at this article, an in-depth look at the decentralized blockchain protocol created by OKEx, which is centralized exchange similar to Binance, where Binance has created their own Binance Smart Chain. So for OKEx, they have created their own blockchain, which is called OKExChain. And here on the introduction, OKExChain is an open source public blockchain technology developed by OKEx for building blockchain-based trading applications and designed to establish a safe, efficient, decentralized finance architecture that can be used to create a decentralized exchange or DEX that features community-based operations, transparent trading rules, and allows users to control their own assets. And of course, they have highlighted certain things about cross-chain and bridging, and they are talking about the speed of transaction as well as the low cost of transaction fees. These are the key problems that OKExChain will address. And of course, they describe the architecture they are using is called Cosmos architecture, comprises of many independent and parallel blockchains that are interconnected by nodes. These are all the technical information which I shall not go through. You can spend some time to look through it. And they talk about the cross-chain mechanism, which is basically quite nowadays where a lot of these protocols are existing in different blockchain networks. And they have this Ethereum virtual machine compatibility, which means that you are able to use your MetaMask wallet, your Ethereum address to operate on OKExChain, similar to what Binance Smart Chain or OKExChain or some other chains that employ this Ethereum virtual machine compatibility. OKExChain token is the native token, which is the OKT token, issued on the main network of OKExChain, and all tokens contained in this OKExChain Genesis block allocated to OKB holders in proportion to their OKB holdings. So this is the very early part whereby they created this OKT and issue them to these OKB holders. And one thing you should note that OKT is the token for you to use as gas fees for this OKExChain network. So OKB token exists for this centralized exchange, and for this blockchain network you are using OKT as the gas fees. This is a very important thing that you need to take note of. Unlike for Binance, they are using BNB for their Binance Smart Chain as these gas fees. For OKExChain, they are using OKT. For this part, they already have described the functions of OKT, And you can see that one of it is handling fee or the gas fees part. And the rest of it are all quite technical or really in-depth information that you can take your time to read through it. And this is the part where they showcase OKExChain, its history based on these several articles here. So I shall highlight certain key milestones that OKExChain has achieved, so you know what has happened throughout this past year. So the first one is OKExChain successfully launches their mainnet and onboards more partners. And this article was released in February 2021. This is where their mainnet launch happened. But during this period, you should know that the EVM or Ethereum virtual machine is still under the testnet, and a lot of these protocols are still not active on OKExChain itself. And on May 2021, OKExChain supports Ethereum virtual machine and integrates MetaMask. This is the start of where OKExChain is able to build their DeFi ecosystem, where they are able to onboard more protocols from other chains or even have new projects being launched on their chain from May onwards. And for June, you can see that there are some notable projects that has joined OKExChain or launched their projects on OKExChain, and one of them is WePiggy. WePiggy has existed in other chains such as Ethereum, Hiko, Binance, and right now it has joined or launched on OKExChain mainnet. So this is for June. Right now we are in the month of August, and one thing to note is that if we come to oklink.com, you will see these DeFi statistics on OKExChain, and you can see that currently the TVL for the OKExChain is 1.15 billion in total value locked. And based on this graph, when I put it on all, that means to show me all the history, you can see that there is a huge upsurge in TVL lock from end of July. So end of July is where the part where many of these protocols joins OKExChain, where they launch their projects on OKExChain, and hence a huge upsurge in TVL lock. And currently it went up as high as 2.24 billion, and currently right now is 1.15 billion. And you can see the entire ecosystem of all the projects that has launched on OKExChain so far. So this data is really helpful when you are looking on the entire ecosystem of OKExChain and the potential growth of OKExChain itself. And you can see that many of these projects are new, as well as familiar projects from other cross chains that you have seen before. You can see rank number 1 is CherrySwap, which is a decentralized exchange with a total value lock of 460 million. And up next is BXH, is also another decentralized exchange where it was initially launched on Hiko chain, and right now it has cross-chain over to OKExChain as well. It's ranked second based on TVL, and third place is KSwap. Fourth place is Flux, which is a lending protocol. Solotop, another protocol which is a U aggregator. It has also launched on Hiko chain at first, and right now it's on OKExChain as well. And yeah, WePiggy is one of them. So you can see there is a lot of these protocols that is launching on OKExChain. This is a very useful data that you can come and look at to identify potential projects or protocols that you want to support on OKExChain itself. And you will see that right now, because its total value lock is on the lower side as compared to other chains, because it is relatively quite new. And this means that there is a lot of opportunity for growth, relatively new, and not many people get to know more about OKExChain. And this is the part of OKExChain Explorer, something that is similar to your BSC scan, your Ethereum scan, or the Hiko info scan. This is your blockchain explorer site. You can see some of the key data regarding OKExChain here. The number of total transactions, the number of validators, they have 54 validators, and their transaction per second, 46.5 transactions per second, and the activities on OKExChain itself. And of course, we can do a quick comparison between OKExChain data against some notable blockchain data like your Binance Smart Chain. This is Binance Smart Chain data here, BSC scan. You'll see that its transaction per second 87.8 on the higher side. EcoChain at 9.4 transactions per second. These transactions will fluctuate over time. And your Etherscan, you will see it's at 14.3 transactions per second. OKExChain is on the higher side, which is really good. And not only that, the gas fees for OKExChain as of now, it's really on the low side. I mean, right now you can say that it's almost negligible. It's like compared to the early days of the Binance Smart Chain. These are all promising data from OKExChain itself. In short, OKExChain is a relatively new chain where huge number of decentralized application has just been launched about a few weeks ago, and it has already shown its potential, where there is significant amount of adoption with 1.15 billion. And I believe that with this resumption of the bull market, where right now Bitcoin is trading at about $47,000, and perhaps if it breaks $50,000, we can see more of the bulls coming in, and definitely many more people will get to know about OKExChain and its ecosystem as well as the projects involved. And of course, with existing projects going into OKExChain, OKExChain will have a higher exposure. This means that in terms of total value locked, we should be seeing like an upside in terms of total value locked. This presents a lot of investment opportunity that you can take a look at. I am definitely excited to be able to see new blockchains coming in and be competitive in this space. I hope that, as always do your own due diligence, research on OKExChain, get to know about its ecosystem and the projects involved before making any investment decisions. I hope that you have enjoyed today's content and get to know more about OKExChain. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think of OKExChain and its ecosystem? Have you gotten involved in some of these projects here? Do drop a like and subscribe to our channel if you are new, and join our socials such as our Twitter and Telegram group TokenClan, and not forgetting to participate in our giveaway contest for our Crypto Starter Pack. All the links are in the description box down below. With that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.